Hello, Tim here. I just wanted to show you how to use this free Easy Sketch Pro video software that you can download. Um, this is a very, very simple setup. And this builds videos for you frame by frame, slide by slide. You see I have slide one over here. I can add a new slide, another slide. So it's very, very easy to build videos using this software. And across the top, you'll see if you want to start a new project, you would click here. Open an existing project, you would click here. You can save projects, change the name, save as projects, save them on different files on your laptop and so forth. Add new slides, add an image, add text, add a video. I recommend if you're adding a video to the software, you keep it short. Okay. You can add music. There's a music library built in here. Okay. And you can, just test out the different, selections I have here just by clicking play to see if it really matches the kind of background you'd want to have for your music. You can also upload music to this as long as it is in MP3 format. Okay. The same thing goes for your voice. You want that to be in MP3 format as well. Okay. You can also record using this software. So it's very easy to use. And if you need to convert a file to MP3, you can go to onlineaudioconverter.com and upload your file and convert it for free. And it converts it very, very quickly. So that's onlineaudioconverter.com for converting files to MP3 format. And there are backgrounds here also that you can select from. Most of them are billboard type like this. Okay. You can also upload backgrounds from your laptop or desktop. If you go to Pixabay, they've got a lot of images. You want to, download some larger images, and you could then upload them to this and use them as a background, okay, on your frames here, on your slides. And you also have hands that can hand draw things for you on this. You get to pick the size and so forth, and whether that hand is going to draw or just drag. You can change the selection here, okay? Or you can also, within the, when you add an element, you get those choices added as well. I'll show you that in a minute. You can preview your movie starting from the first slide by using this preview button. This timeline button, I haven't really done anything with this. I haven't had any need to. And then when you're done recording your video, you export it. And then you could upload it to YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want to upload it to. Over here is the settings tab. You can pick your canvas size. I generally use 1280 by 720. You can select the background color of your canvas. But if you're going to do that, it's going to make every slide that color, okay, as you're going to see over here. So I generally stick with white myself. But you can change the color of your background. And as far as your text goes, if you type a text, you click the text and you can put your text in here in this text area. All right. And click OK. And then you can change this, edit it to be whatever color you want it to be. If you want it to be blue, click that. If you want it to be bolded, you could click that. Italic, click there. All right. Now, the other thing is, once you add this, you can have this text appear in a number of different ways. If you go down to properties, this is where you control how this text appears. It can be drawn by hand, drag by hand, fade in, drag without a hand, draw without a hand, or none. And you can, here you select the duration that it's going to take for that text to appear. And if you want it to appear instantly, you can just set all these to 0. But for now, I'm just going to demonstrate a hand drawing. How this would work if it's drawn by hand. And I would just click, if you want to just preview one slide, you go over here, click on that slide, and click play from here. All right. If you have multiple slides and you click the preview button, it's going to start with this first slide. But if you have multiple slides, and you just want to see how one is rendering, you would just click play from here. The other thing is you have the ability to copy these elements to different slides, which makes this pretty convenient if you're duplicating content from slide to slide, okay? And as I said, you can change how that appears on each slide. Slide 2 here, for example. Let's say I want to do something a little bit different with that. Instead of draw by hand, I want it to be dragged in, and I'm going to have it come from the right. And this last one, let's say I just wanted this text to fade in. I don't want a hand drawing that, so I would put it down to fade in. Generally cut down this rendering time to like maybe 1 second or half a second. Okay. And if I want this slide to last 3 seconds afterwards, I would, move this to 3. But you can time how long each one of these frames last for you. So we're just going to run down. I'm going to preview all this. So that was drawn by hand, dragged in, and just faded in. So you got to see how the different ways you can manipulate your elements to do that. You can also do the same thing with images. But I just wanted to show you this for now. You can add background images from your laptop. You want to use large ones. You don't want to use like little banner images because you'll have to resize them to make them appear correctly. But if I go, let's go to, and I want to use this background image over here, this mountain. Open that. I can add it. And this image is over 1,000 pixels by, I think, at least 500 or whatever. But anyway, it pretty much covers the whole screen area there. And if I want this to render, or I want to order this up so that the text appears over it, I can do that. Okay. Also, if I don't want this image to be drawn, I can just have it fade in or put none. I could have it appear instantly. Just take all these down to 0 and just have my text go over top of it. You can time and order these different elements, and I'll just play this from here. There's my image. There's my text. Now, you can make all types of videos with this for product promotions and so forth. Let's say I wanted to, just for example, I want to promote an Inspire 3 product. Well, I'm just going to start over here. I'm going to delete these elements. Okay. And let's say I want to add a background that's more like, something that would be, correspond with promoting an Inspire 3 product. So I'll go to my desktop, and I've got some files saved here under Inspire 3. One of them is this free image I got from Pixabay. I could add that. Okay. Let's say I just wanted this to fade in. and I want it to fade in rather quickly, so I'll move that down to like 1 second. Okay. And save that. Okay, and let's say I want to add a product image over top of this. I would go look for the product image. Let's say I want to use this manifesting guide. Open that, add it, and let's say I want to reposition it. I can move it over here. Or if I want to resize it, I would just grab the corners and pull inward. Okay, and then I want to straighten it up a bit. And that looks pretty good. Sometimes there might be a little bit of delay when you do this, so just be aware of that. But I can have this image come in. Let's see what I want to do with this. I don't want to have it drawn. Let's drag it in. And I want it to be dragged in from the right. Okay. And I want it to take about a second. All right. See how that looks. So you can build videos. You can experiment, build videos with this for posting on YouTube and other video sites. And you can use this to promote products and services. We have some free downloads that you can download and upload to YouTube or wherever to promote your business. You would just put, a link underneath the video or whatever. Now, this is a great tool for making videos and drawing attraction to your business and any number of your products and services that you've got. Okay. Now, I have looked into doing, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to go to my image library. There's an image library right inside the software. All types of images. Ancient Greece, Sumer, ancient Egypt. It's just all kind of different images in here that you can use. And also social images as well. If you get down here, social media. And I wanted to talk about YouTube for a moment. YouTube is a great place to promote products, services, and your business. I'm not sure why this isn't done. I don't want to load image from the PC. YouTube, for example. YouTube is a search engine. People are on there searching for products and services all the time, looking for videos on certain subject matter and so forth. Now, there is the ability to advertise on YouTube. Okay. And they are called video in-stream ads. I want to make you aware of that. You can do a search on YouTube and you'll come up, watch a number of videos on placing in-stream ads on YouTube. There's a drawback, though, that I want you to be aware of. Placing your ad is the easy part. Getting it to actually show can be sometimes difficult. You can have your account funded, your ad set up, have it approved, and it may never run. And in order to get it to run, you might have to do some extensive, research into keywords and that kind of thing. All right. Now, the other problem with video in-stream ads is whatever video you are advertising with, okay, has to be unlisted. All right. So it has to be unlisted videos only can be used in in-stream ads. Which means you cannot get any organic traffic to that video because it has to be unlisted. All right. And it's a great platform to advertise on, but I'm just cautioning you that it can get complicated. And placing your ads, like I said, is the easy part. Getting them to show can be a different story. And not only that, you have to use an unlisted video. The other option, okay, is to get help promoting your videos and your channel. And a great place to go to do that is Fiverr. Fiverr.com. All right. There are people on here, if you just put in the search bar up here, find services, promote your YouTube channel. Here's a gentleman that has a basic package for $20. This guy is doing real marketing for you. Okay. There are sites that'll just drive views to your video, but you won't get any comments or likes under it. You'll just get the views. But what you want is you want real social interaction with your videos. That helps them rank. In YouTube, watch time is a huge ranking factor. Okay. So, and just posting a video, and there's a lot of automated posting software for any number of platforms. The problem is that just posting content does not equal traffic. All right. You have to do something to drive traffic to that, unless you've already got a huge audience built up. But even to start, I don't care if it's Instagram, Facebook, whatever, you're going to need some help in getting your content noticed and getting a subscriber base and so forth. So, and in this day and age, you need help. Okay. So, and Fiverr is a great place to go to find people to help you get traction with social media. And particularly where, promoting your videos is concerned, you can do the Google Ads platform and post video ads. That's fine. But like I said, actually getting your ads seen and viewed can be another story. All right. So the other way, though, if you use a service like this, you do not have to keep your videos unlisted. You can start a campaign and continue to get natural organic traffic to your video. All right. You can have people promote, as it says, I'll promote your YouTube channel, and he will promote, videos and so forth, get you subscribers and so forth. You can also just do single video promotion. There's YouTube channel promotion, YouTube video promotion. Okay. And you'll get a whole list of vendors on here who will help you promote your videos and get you real organic traffic. Okay. So, and that's what you want. So there are any number of people on here who provide services like this. They all have a ranking, as to how the users have ranked this service. Here's a 4.9. This is a 4.8. You can check out the pricing for what you want done. A lot of these start at $5. Some start at $10. The reviews on all of these people are on their profiles. Say this guy's doing viral YouTube video promotion. If you click on the profile, click on that link. He's got a basic service starting at just $5. Okay. And if you scroll down, it tells you all about what they're going to do for you and so forth. And their reviews are also listed on this page. So you can see the reviews. as to what, how they rated the service. Okay. And you can see all the reviews here. This guy, 5 stars, awesome experience, good work, very good work. And very pleased with your work. A lot of organic views, likes, and subscribers. I will be back soon. This is the kind of interaction you want with your videos, and it'll help them rank. So in the organic searches done on YouTube, you can get a lot of free traffic, but it also helps to get things off the ground. And setting up a YouTube channel is like very, very simple. If you have a Gmail account, let me refresh this. If you just have a Gmail account, you click up here on this apps, Google Apps, click here, and it'll take you right to YouTube. All right. And it'll help, you can establish a channel using whatever Gmail account you may have. Okay. And then you can, edit things within there. I just started a brand new channel, and I am going to be getting help with subscribers and views and so forth using these people. The services are very, very affordable. She's got a basic service, a standard service, premium service. I would start with basic, try out a few of them, see how they work. And then if I've got somebody that I'm really confident in, I might spend a little bit more. But YouTube gets a lot of views, gets a lot of traffic, and it's probably the best social network to be promoting anything. Okay. Because people are into video. They like the visuals, and using this software can help you create entertaining videos very, very simply and affordably. All right. And if you have to record like a separate voice background and then match it up to the timing of this, it's very easy because you can manipulate through the properties tab how long each one of these, characters or whatever you're generating lasts. And if you want to put up some text and read it, you need time to read it, down here in timing after, you would adjust the timing that you need that to last and save that. Okay. So there's a lot you can do with this software. I highly recommend you use it and take advantage of it because, and then, upload some videos on YouTube and go over to Fiverr and get some help promoting your channel and your videos. And that'll really help you get some good traction as far as promoting your business and your products and services and, what all to help you grow and build your business. All right. Okay. Well, this is Tim signing off, and we'll see you in the next video.